Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJS Info. This video is about Python and its basics. For that, you have to install Python current version 3.14 and Visual Studio Code. Once installed, just click Visual Studio Code. First thing is create folder. Just assign Python study. Select folder. Next step is you have to create file. First, we have to understand Python, its basics. Python strings and data types are the building blocks of coding. Strings is nothing but any text or multiple text consisting words or paragraph is called string. For example, single quote, well, be, thank you. All are strings only. Okay, how do we write program on this? For that, very important function is print. It means display. Bracket open, single quote, welcome world. Again print, double quote, good morning, just save it, control S. Now it is saved. In case we don't want any folder details, just close it here. Just click on run. Shortcut is Control Alt N. So it has given same result for strings. Strings can be combined together. For example, print, double quote, good, plus, happy. We can run the program. Let's see. In case we want space between them, simply you can put single quote, space, again single quote, plus. Just save it, run it. So automatically you will get space. Like that we can able to write program. Next one is integer. Integer is a whole number. It might be a positive number or negative number. 20 or minus 30 or 25. Anything whole number is integer. Simply we can write here print 25 plus 40. Just save it. $65. If number is put inside the double quote or single quote, It is treated as a string only. Print save run. Even though it displays as a number integer, but it is not integer. If I add number, it will not give result. So we have to use of integer here. Just put integer bracket open, again close it here. Just go. Now it should work. 65. Number with decimal is called float. For example, 3.5, 7.15, these are float. If I directly add it, it will work. 3.5 plus 7, it will work fine. In case if it is a string, then it will not work. It will show error. To convert decimal, we have to use float. Boolean to get true or false. It should be true. If I change it to here, false. So to get to know true or false, and we have to assign the true and false. For example, sun is assigned to true, cold is false. If I write print sun, it gives true. Important thing is variable. A variable is a symbolic name that points to an object or number in memory. It can hold multiple data types, strings, integer, float, etc. Assignments always with equal to symbol. It is case sensitive. For example, A is a 50 and small a is 25. If I give program name with capital A, if I give capital A 50, if I put small a 25. And it will be starting with an underscore or any text, not with the numbers. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.